Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, October 9th, 2025. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, let's get right into it, shall we? Because we have some very interesting weather on the way. Currently, right now, we have high pressure in control with clear skies and temperatures in the lower to mid 40s over the far northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s in your suburbs, lower to mid 50s in your urban areas and along the I-95 corridor, with a nice northerly wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour, gradually veering to the northeast and decreasing as we move on through the evening hours. Now, this high pressure is in control. 1,034 millibars. Very strong high pressure system. This cold front is stalling out over the coastal waters with showers over the coastal waters of the Carolinas. When we step back, you can see, again, visible satellite picture. Excellent, beautiful weather conditions. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see trouble starting to brew here, but nothing really that is too ominous. Now, what really stands out is actually shown on the water vapor satellite picture, and usually I do this for premium members, but I'm going to show you this right now. We talked about this last night. That right there, that feature right there is what is going to cause us a lot of problems this weekend, especially on Sunday into Monday. This feature dives into this area right here. You kind of have an opening here between this upper level low, this ridge, and you get this weakness right here. So this is going to dive right into that. And while it's diving into that, it's going to interact with this disturbance down here. You can see a little weak disturbance right here, a lot of sinking air, a lot of rising air. So you get this disturbance here in the subtropical jet stream. They interact, and we get into a lot of trouble, especially for Sunday and Monday with the potential for very heavy rainfall, coastal flooding, wind damage, because wind gusts are going to be sustained at 10 to 20 miles per hour away from the coast, 15 to 30 miles per hour along the coast, with gusts pushing over 40 miles per hour. You got all the leaves on the trees still. You have a lot of rainfall. You have a high potential here for power outages, downed trees, and of course, wind damage. So this is going to be a very interesting and, in some respects, dangerous storm. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Today, high pressures in control. Absolutely beautiful with plenty of sunshine and high temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast, upper 50s to lower 60s on the I-95 corridor. For tonight into tomorrow, clear skies, light winds, those temperatures are going to plummet with low temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. I wouldn't be surprised to even seeing some lower 30s in the Catskills and the Poconos for lows over the interior. On the suburbs, upper 30s to lower 40s, lower to mid 40s in your urban areas and along the coast. So very chilly weather conditions. For tomorrow afternoon, plenty of sunshine again, light winds starting to back towards the southeast around 5 miles per hour, with temperatures rebounding into the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s along the I-95 corridor, and upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. Very quiet weather conditions the next 2 days. Now, on Friday night into Saturday morning, you get a little bit more of an onshore flow, a little bit more increase in cloud cover, but still relatively quiet. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. On Saturday afternoon, that onshore flow gets stronger. Our low pressure system starts to organize to the south of us. You can see the upper level feature in the polar jet stream right here over the Great Lakes, diving southward. Our low pressure system to the south is starting to organize. It's going to lead to increasing cloud cover and a few isolated showers and a little bit of drizzle on Saturday afternoon. Look for high temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, mid 60s to lower 70s on the I-95 corridor, mid to upper 60s along the coast. Saturday night into Sunday morning, showers start to expand in coverage, especially along the coast. Notice these lines here. This is the pressure gradient getting tighter. That means our easterly winds, east-northeasterly winds are going to be increasing to 10 to 20 miles per hour throughout the region, starting to push into that 15 to 30 mile per hour range as we head towards the evening hours and the late afternoon hours, with most of your rain focused along the coast, but showers starting to push into the interior. So Sunday afternoon is going to be a bit of a will wash out. So if you have any plans, I would do it on Saturday. Look for low temperatures on Sunday ranging from the lower to mid 50s over the interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast, and high temperatures won't be moving all that much. Upper 50s to lower 60s throughout the region. Basically, your temperatures in the morning and in the afternoon along the coast are going to be within a degree of each other. So not much in the way of movement and very damp, raw weather conditions. On Sunday night into Monday, this is why I'm expecting the worst conditions from this storm, but very heavy rainfall, strong winds, coastal flooding, just a very nasty situation. We're looking at anywhere between 2 to 4 inches of rain along the immediate coast. We'll have an impact map out for the public by tomorrow. Premium members, you have it on the dashboard. Again, about 1 to 2 inches on the I-95 corridor, and then less rainfall over the interior, about half an inch to an inch. Anyway you slice it, it is going to be a very wet period with the potential for urban flooding, street flooding, small river flooding. Meanwhile, this stiff northeasterly wind will continue to enhance the potential for coastal flooding, beach erosion, and of course, those strong winds will also create the potential for power outages, wind damage, down trees. So very nasty period of weather. Look for low temperatures on Monday morning ranging from the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the I-95 corridor, and upper 50s to around 60 degrees right on the immediate coast. Again, that's your marine air mass building in. And then on Monday afternoon, periods of rain continuing, slowly starting to break up into more of a scad shower type feature as we head towards the evening. Look for high temperatures to range from the mid to upper 50s over the interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast, and just again, windy, wet, raw, coastal flooding, power outages continuing. Monday evening into Tuesday, the low pressure system starts to slowly exit with overcast cloud cover and scattered showers around the region. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. By Tuesday afternoon, we get gradual clearing with a few lingering showers around the region. Winds finally back to the northwest around 5 to 15 miles per hour over the interior, 10 to 20 miles per hour along the coast, but the end of the coastal flooding threat starts to arrive. Look for high temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast, mid 60s everywhere else. On Wednesday and Thursday, high pressure will be in control with clear skies, tranquil conditions returning. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 40s over the interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. High temperatures on Wednesday will range from the lower to mid 60s over the interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. But on Thursday, much cooler with high temperatures only in the lower to mid 50s over the interior and mid to upper 50s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.